Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces, 222, clear. It is Monday, August 31st, 2020. We have a full moon in Pisces coming. Yay! And I have been feeling the effects of it, absolutely. Over the weekend, I was so grateful to receive a free chart reading she's out of Holland. Her name is Cleo. I'll link her information in the description box for you guys. Highly recommend checking her out. Her website is in Dutch, but I'm sure if you sent her an email, which her email is at the very top of her website, I'm sure she'd be happy to explain her services to you. Basically what she does is she specializes, she'll look at your chart, your astrology chart. She specializes in spiritual path. So she can actually take a look at your chart and tell you what your spiritual path is, what your mission is, what you're supposed to be doing in this lifetime, what you came into this incarnation, what your purpose was. Again, I think that's hugely significant because there are a lot of people out there who are still searching for their mission. They're still like, what was I supposed to do again? So I highly recommend it. It was very, very insightful, very on point. I'm not gonna lie, she's very good. So I would highly recommend checking her out, guys. And I think going forward, I mean, my mission, I know what my mission is, but she definitely hit exactly what my mission was, okay? Which my mission is, of course, to wake you guys up, and I've been saying that forever. To wake people up, because we need people. We need people on path. We need people to go the way they're supposed to go. Okay. And I think going forward, I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna have to restructure some things again. But I think where I'm at right now with the twin flame stuff is not where I'm supposed to be. I do believe in twin flames. I do believe, obviously, you know, because I went through my own journey and went through my own experience. But the way that we're supposed to be going, it feels like there are people who are not going that way because they're stuck in something else. So I think going forward, my mission needs to be to break away from that and to focus on unity and healing and, you know, spiritual path, really. So I think going forward, I'm going to start focusing on those things. I'm going to start focusing on my spiritual coaching, which is actually very quickly becoming like my second most popular service. Which I highly appreciate, and that's exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. So I think I'm going to start doing something a little bit different. I'm still going to do my morning messages because, you know, you guys enjoy these, and, you know, it helps with a lot of people, and I understand that. So I'm going to continue to do that. But I am going to kind of step away from the twin flame stuff for a little while. Okay. I want to focus on clear. I think I want to start doing like maybe semi-monthly group coaching sessions. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. I'll probably do a poll or something on my community tab, but I want to do that. I also would like to do something with my Patreon where I'm able to, and actually maybe partly on YouTube, partly on Patreon, something like that, where I can introduce people who are stepping into mission, you know, people who are in mission. They can share their stories, they can share their journey, they can, you know, give advice where it's needed. I really feel like that is what's needed right now. And I have been trying to coordinate with a couple other readers and getting stuff like this done. I'm working on a program for you guys that I would like to have released by the end of this year. I'm trying to do that, hopefully by the 11/11 portal. We'll see. About healing and how to deal with your karma, how to deal with purging, how to deal with confusion energy, you know, how to recognize when you're in intuition and things like that. Basically like an on-demand coaching session for you guys. Now, I haven't figured out the modules, I haven't figured all that out yet, but I know what I want to do with it. So I just have to get to it. I just have to do it, right? So I may actually take some time off of YouTube, sometime maybe next month, so I can get all of that squared away for you guys. Again, I know it's going to be a long message, but I also, and I've been saying this for a while, I really need y'all's help to to keep my website up and running. Okay, it's up in October. Okay, I want to be able to keep the forum open for you guys mainly. That's the main thing, because that's where the forum is. Okay, so if you guys are enjoying the forum, you know, please donate. And I would like to give away some stuff, like for those who donate at least, I don't know, $5.55. We'll say $5.55 for everybody who donates at least $5.55 to my website, which you can do through PayPal, or you can actually go to the website and actually donate on the website. You will be entered into a drawing to win. I think I'm going to do 3. I think I'm going to do either win a free in-depth reading, a free coaching session, or a free mini reading. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, I'll post details. I'll post those details on my community tab as well. I literally just came up with that out of my head, so I'm like, I have to remember what I'm doing. But I want to do something for you guys, obviously, to give back, because I absolutely appreciate my subscribers so much. Like, you guys have been with me through a lot. There are a lot of people out there who are coming at me, and it's because I'm triggering them, and that's fine. I will tell you, there are a lot of people still stuck in narcissism in this twin flame journey, and I'm going to get into that a little bit more in my collective today, in the union update, and it's going to trigger the heck out of some people. I know that, and I know that Wicked Virgo is going through this too. She's lost some subscribers because of that. You know, I know Jupiter's had some people come at her. So, I mean, I know the energy, there are people out there that don't want to be called on their crap. They don't. They don't want to be, hey, they don't want to be shaken awake for some reason, okay? And I'll talk about that in the split and everything a little bit more this evening, so. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that. But the way the energies are trending right now, it's like basically you're being forced to either be on path or you're not going to. Like, this is where my mission is right now, is to help people wake up and get on their path, okay? So let's take a look at the energies today. Yeah, restore and replenish. Some of you have been going way too hard on some things that aren't even part of what you're supposed to be doing, and that could be why you're feeling incredibly drained. Some of you are just you're not on path. You're not on path at all. Okay, and so you haven't been feeling motivated, you've been feeling drained, and that's part of my problem, I think, that's happening, is because where I'm at with my stuff is not where I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to be going a different way, and so Source is kind of like, no, this way. This is why you're feeling drained. So I feel like some of you are also feeling this. Some of you are feeling tired. Some of you are feeling stressed out. It's because where you're at right now is not where you're supposed to be. So you're being guided to go somewhere else. Follow your bliss. If you're in a place where you're miserable, get out of it. Get out of it, okay? Stop abusing yourself. Yeah, some of you just not happy at all. Like, some of you have been in this, like, this keeping yourself from actually moving forward for some reason. Like, you're literally holding yourself hostage somewhere. And it's like you just don't want to let go of whatever it is, whatever security blanket you're holding on to. And a lot of us, it's codependency. We don't even realize it's codependency, okay? That's the hard part right there. So that's why I'm like, listen to yourself. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your body. What is your body telling you? Are you drained? Are you tired? Are you confused? Are you angry? Okay? Listen to yourself. Okay? If it's a situation that is not good for you, it's not good. Get out. Okay? Yeah. Princess, yeah. Seeing the truth for what it is. Some of you are going to get some hard truths, and it may be from me, okay? You're welcome. I'm glad to help, okay? But some of you may get some hard truths from yourselves, from Source, from other people. You may hear some things in the grapevine that are going to make you go, huh? Okay? So, you listen. Just listen, guys. Open your mind, okay? Don't just automatically deflect what somebody is trying to tell you, okay? Because it may be true. Okay? And I think that's where I'm getting a lot of clapback, is because people are absolutely terrified to possibly admit that what I'm saying might be true. You see? They're afraid. It's fear. That's all it is. It's fear. I don't take it personally. I mean, don't attack me personally. I will block you. You know, but listen, guys. Listen. Okay, and if you have questions, ask me. Send me an email. I'm totally fine with doing that. I'd rather do that than argue in my comment section, honestly. Send me an email. I'm happy to have a conversation with you. Completely open conversation. I know it don't seem like it sometimes, But I really am. I like to hear other people's point of view, and I like to talk to them about it, okay? Yeah, some of you are stalling your awakening. Some of you are stalling your ascension right now. Because you're not open to the truth. You're still stuck in this box. You've put yourself in a box that this must be this way because this is what I was told. This is how I was led. Was I lied to? Some of you don't want to believe that maybe you lied to yourself. Okay. Yeah. Make a wish. Some of you, it's just a simple matter of setting your intention. Some of you you kind of forgot what your intention was. Some of you just kind of got lost in this little fantasy world. There's a difference between creating a reality and ignoring reality, so please understand the difference, okay? All right? But some of you kind of got lost in your own little delusional world, okay? And you forgot. You forgot what your purpose was. You forgot what your intentions were. That's why you're not manifesting. That's why you feel stuck. That's why you feel drained. It's because you're like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. You know, and it's just, listen to yourself, guys. You know, ask Source for help if you need it. Ask your guides. You know, whoever it is that you connect to, okay, your higher self, okay, because that's the best advice, honestly, okay? All right, guys, I know it was a long one today, but I'll see you guys later. I hope you have a great rest of your day.